Hi friends, welcome back in this series of computer vision. So today we will be working with the mask RCNN. So basically mask RCNN, or we can say region based convolution neural network. So it is a deep learning based algorithm that basically combines object detection and instant segmentation capability, right? Or we can say it is an extension of the popular faster RCNN object detection algorithm with an additional branch that predict a mask for each instance. Also, we will see the example below. So before starting, would request you to please do like, share, and please subscribe the channel, because we need more subscribers so that our team will get motivated and will keep working on it to provide such content. Now instant segmentation, right? So as we have seen some example of instant segmentation is in the last videos as well. So mask RCNN, basically pre-trained model from COCO dataset, is used for segmenting the image in this notebook. So we are importing all the required library, like importing CB2, NumPy as NP, Matplotlib, PyPlot, of course, for plotting the graphs, and Seaborn as SNS for the same, and Matplotlib inline. Now as we have done this notebook into Google Colab, so that's why we needed to mount the notebook, and then we load our mask RCNN. So from there are two ways. One, you can directly access from here the RCNN Coco, and another is that net equals to cb2.dnn.readnet from TensorFlow. Now we are storing this now we are storing these files into our this directory, and then we are using this pb and pbtxt, right? Now generate random color. So color equal to np.random rand init, then rand int, now 0 to 55 and 103 that we are passing. And if we print the color, so you can see the range of the color that we have given here, so it will provide us all these colors. Now load image. So image equals cb dot im read. So basically you can read any image inside this, so you just need to put the path or the name of the image. Height width equals to image dot shape, so that will give the height and width. Now display the loaded image. So of course we will do plt dot im show. So this is what our real image is, right? Now first we are creating a black image. So black image equals to np zeros, height width 3 and np unit 8, then black image. Now we are passing all these parameters in it to define this black image. Once we see the im show dot black image, so this is what you can see, the blank image basically. Now detecting objects. So detect object equals to cb2.dnn blob from image, right? Image, and the swap rb equals to true. Now net dot set input, so passing this detect object in this set input function. Boxes and mask, so we will get it from net dot forward. So we are using detection out final and detection mask. Now count detection, so boxes dot shape, so it will return the count detection in it. Now doing the for loop for the the count detection. So basically as we have seen this file many times, that's why you are getting this symbol, but if you run the program you will have to remove this, no need to use this. Now for I in range count detection, so box object equals to boxes 00 and the I that we are passing here. Now class id, right, score we will get, and we are having this threshold as 50%. If the detection accuracy is less than 50%, then we will just ignore this and we will continue the process. Now get box coordinate for each object. So we are getting the box coordinate to draw bounding boxes. ROI, region of interest, so black image. So we are having all these region of interest, like ROI heights, ROI width from the shape. Now getting the mask. So mask equals to mask I, so the I that is going on, and int class id. Mask equals to cb2 dot resize of mask based on ROI width and ROI height, and then threshold, like the cb2 threshold mask 0.5, and this is basically what our threshold is, and this is nothing but the max value we can say, and this is a thresh function, right? Now or we can say the binarization. Now cb2 dot rectangle image a1 b1 a2 b2, and passing the parameter get mask coordinate, so counters, so it will return all the counters from this masking, right? Now colors, of course, we have according to the class id. For cnt in counters, so cb2 dot fill poly, so filling the colors for the detection object. Now this is patches for now we are using the cb2 I am show for google collab. Now cb2 I am showing the image, and cb2 I am show then black image, and then cb2 weight key 0. So you can see that basically when we use this image show, so after detection it is returning all these bounding box with it, right here. And you can see that this is what the segmentation for each object, like for the hand and the person we got this one, and for this coffee glass or the beer glass, we can say we and for this coffee glass, we can say that we got this different color. This is also similar, the glass we can, so that's why we got similar color for these three. Now here it has recognized something, so that's why the color is here as well. So this way we can do the masking or mask apply, we can apply mask RCNN, right? So yeah friend, this was all about this video. Hope you got the slight idea about this topic, that is the marks RCNN. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, all the best, and please do like, share and subscribe. We'll meet very soon. Thanks, have a good time.